Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The HP Victus 15.6-inch gaming laptop represents a specific segment of the portable computer market where functionality meets intentional design for both recreation and productivity. This particular model serves as a mid-range option within the broader HP gaming ecosystem, sitting alongside the more premium Omen line while offering a distinct identity of its own. At its core, this machine is built around the 12.450H processor from the Intel Core i5 12th generation family paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. These internal components are housed in a chassis that deviates from the aggressive aesthetics often associated with gaming hardware, opting instead for a more refined appearance known as performance blue. This color choice provides a deep matte finish that appears professional in an office or classroom setting while maintaining a modern edge that appeals to those looking for a device with a bit more personality than a standard silver or black laptop. The overall footprint of the device is defined by its 15.6-inch display, which balances the need for a large viewing area with the necessity of portability for those who move between different environments throughout the day. Looking closer at the build and design of the HP Victus One, we'll notice a focus on clean lines and a minimalist approach. The lid features a prominent reflective V logo which serves as the signature branding for the Victus line. This is a departure from the traditional circular HP logo found on their standard consumer laptops and suggests a different level of internal capability. The hinge design is robust, intended to support the screen through repeated opening and closing cycles, although there is a slight amount of flexibility in the display assembly common in laptops of this class. Moving to the keyboard deck, the laptop provides a full-sized layout including a dedicated numeric keypad on the right side. This inclusion is particularly useful for individuals who use their machine for data entry or productivity tasks alongside gaming. The keys are backlit, which assists with visibility in low-light environments and provides a subtle glow that fits the overall aesthetic. Below the keyboard sits a relatively large touchpad positioned slightly to the left to align with the primary typing area. The physical ports are distributed along the sides of the chassis and include a variety of connectivity options such as USB Type-A and Type-C ports and HDMI output for external displays and an Ethernet port for stable wired internet connections. The cooling system is also a significant part of the design, with large intake vents on the bottom and wide exhaust vents at the rear designed to manage the heat generated by the high-performance components during extended use. When examining how this laptop performs, the conversation centers on the synergy between the Intel i5-13420H processor and the 16 GB of memory. The 12th generation architecture from Intel introduced a hybrid core design which combines performance cores and efficient cores. This allows the system to handle demanding tasks like gaming or video editing using the high-speed cores while delegating background processes to the efficient cores to help manage power consumption and thermal output. With 16 GB of RAM, the system is well equipped to handle modern multitasking requirements, allowing for multiple applications and browser tabs to remain open without significant slowdowns. This is particularly important for contemporary workflows where a user might be running a communication app, a web browser, and a demanding software suite simultaneously. The storage solution is a 1 TB PCIe solid-state drive which offers both a large capacity for games and media files and the high read and write speeds necessary for quick boot times and rapid application loading. In a landscape where modern game installations can easily exceed 100 GB, having a full terabyte of space from the start provides a level of convenience and longevity that smaller drives cannot match. The inclusion of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6 GB of dedicated video memory is another critical factor in the performance profile of this machine. Unlike the standard 4 GB versions of this GPU found in many entry-level systems, the 6 GB variant provides extra breathing room for high-resolution textures and more complex visual effects. This graphics card belongs to the Ampere architecture, which brought features like ray tracing and deep learning supersampling or DLSS to a wider audience. In practical terms, this means the laptop can handle modern titles at the native 1080p resolution while maintaining respectable frame rates. The display itself supports a 144Hz refresh rate, which is a significant upgrade over standard 60Hz screens. This higher refresh rate means the screen updates the image 144 times per second, resulting in much smoother motion on screen. This is most noticeable in fast-paced action games where fluid movement can provide a more immersive experience and a slight competitive edge by reducing motion blur. The combination of the RTX 3050 and the high refresh rate screen ensures that the visual output remains consistent and responsive. Connectivity and software also play a role in the daily utility of the HP Victus. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 technology allows for faster wireless speeds and improved performance on crowded networks, which is essential for downloading large files or streaming high-definition content. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, which offers a range of professional features such as enhanced security protocols and management tools that are not always available in the standard Home Edition. This makes the device a viable option for those who need to integrate their personal machine into a professional network environment. For power management, the laptop relies on a battery designed to provide several hours of use for standard productivity tasks, though gaming will naturally deplete the charge much faster. The inclusion of a performance blue finish and a backlit keyboard rounds out the package as a device that is as much about the experience of use as it is about the raw numbers on a spec sheet. Determining who this laptop is best suited for involves looking at the balance of its features and its price, which currently sits at approximately $719. This price point makes it an attractive option for students who need a single device that can handle rigorous academic work during the day and high-fidelity entertainment in the evening. The 16 GB of RAM and the 1 TB SSD are particularly beneficial for students who may be studying fields like computer science engineering or digital media, where large software packages and project files are the norm. Casual gamers who want a reliable machine that can play the latest titles without needing the absolute highest settings will also find this configuration appealing. It offers enough power to run popular multiplayer titles at high frame rates while still having the hardware necessary to explore more demanding single-player experiences. Additionally, the professional aesthetic of the Performance Blue chassis makes it a suitable choice for early career professionals who want a laptop with some graphical power for creative projects but do not want a machine that looks out of place in a meeting room. In closing, the HP Victus 15.6-inch gaming laptop offers a well-rounded set of specifications that cater to a variety of needs. It does not try to be the most powerful machine on the market, but instead focuses on providing a balanced experience where the processor, graphics card and memory work together effectively. The 12th generation Intel i5 and the 6GB RTX 3050 provide a solid foundation for both work and play, while the 144Hz display ensures that the user can actually see the benefits of that hardware in motion. While the build is primarily plastic, it is designed with a sense of purpose and style that distinguishes it from more utilitarian office laptops. The large storage capacity and professional operating system add further value for those looking for a versatile all-in-one solution. Ultimately, this laptop is about providing access to modern computing standards and gaming capabilities in a package that is accessible and thoughtfully designed for a wide range of everyday scenarios. It stands as a testament to how far entry and mid-level gaming hardware has come, offering features that were once reserved for top-tier machines in a more attainable and understated format. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.